Okay, so let's just go through these symmetries and see if we can do it live. Talking through, okay?
Alright.
Alright, so where do you want to start?
Well, maybe here, the do nothing situation.
Yep. Ah, the do nothing situation. I usually count that one, but that is one. We have found one symmetry.
And
one
then you can
wonderful symmetry. Wah, wah, wah,
you can
wah,
rotate it 2 different ways.
Okay.
And then you're back to the do nothing situation.
Alright, so each rotation of the triangle, there's 2 ones that are different than the do nothing one that we get back to. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's great. So how many of those are there?
Well, there's
just pair the tops and bottoms.
There's 20 faces. That means you can pair 10 tops and bottoms, and then each group produces 2. So there's 20 rotations.
20 rotations.
Plus the do nothing one.
Plus the do nothing one.
21.
Okay. 21.
Now let's do the edge flips.
Okay. Here, I will hold it just to keep it in the camera. So we got to find first. We got to find opposite edges.
Well, since I made it like this, it's easy.
Well, it certainly helps to see. That definitely helps to see the opposite vertices,
Yeah,
but it helps to see the opposite edges too. So now make sure you know what you're looking at here, so that when we do the rotations, if we get something that fools us into thinking it's the same.
Okay. Yep.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at a triangle.
Okay. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at a dark blue strut.
Okay. So I'm going to lift it up. Start rotating. See anything that's the same yet?
I'm looking at a triangle now.
I'm
Okay.
not.
All right.
And
Now I'm looking at a blue strut.
I'm looking at a triangle.
Okay. So there's 1. All right.
Now let's keep rotating.
I don't know if you might be rotating backwards now.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I don't think I am.
Okay.
Let's see now. This is back to where we started, I think.
It's back to where we started. Let's just be sure, and let's put our
Little marker.
a little marker. Do you have a yellow?
Yellow. It's here.
No, it's fine. I thought we might have had one close here. I'm just going to put it in like this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's just to be sure, we'll put our little marker in, and also that'll make sure we're rotating the same way.
Does that one count?
That's it.
No.
That's not a symmetry.
This is a symmetry.
There we go. So now our marker's on the ground.
And then as we keep rotating.
No.
Nope. Not a symmetry.
And
yes, we're back to
Where we started.
so only one.
Okay, so there's only one new one. So how many edges were there?
There were 30 edges.
30 edges.
Then you have to pair each edge.
So 15.
15.
And each edge brought you one new one.
So
Okay.
15 new ones. So
15 new ones.
it's
36.
So we were at 1 for the
nothing.
do nothing, 20 for the rotations of the faces,
And then
and then 15 for the rotation around the edges, which leaves us what left? Oh, actually, maybe I should leave that there.
It's 36.
Okay. Are there any more
Well, corner
symmetries?
flips. The vertice flips.
The
Yeah.
vertice flips. Okay, so now again, the way you've built this with that starburst really does help us see the opposite
Yeah.
vertices. And in fact, let me make sure we're still on camera here. Okay.
So
now find something where it's easy for you to be looking at it. Is that good?
yeah, I'm
no,
looking.
at a corner.
You're looking at a corner. Okay.
I'm looking at a triangle. Actually, I'm looking at a blue strut right here.
Okay. And you know which way it goes?
This way.
All right. So let's. Okay. So we're on the ground. I'm going to lift up just a little bit.
I'm looking at a strut.
Is that good?
Yep.
So that's 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
and we're back to where we started.
5. Whoa!
So 4.
Whoa!
4 new ones.
There was 5 rotational symmetries with these, and 4 new ones. How many vertices are there?
There's 12 vertices.
So how many opposite vertices are there?
6.
6. So how many new ones did we get there?
24.
24.
Whoa, 24. So we have 1 do nothing symmetry,
Then the
20 rotational symmetries, so that gets us up to.
21.
Then we had 15 flips around the centers of the edges.
Yeah.
That gets us up to.
36.
Then we had
24.
24.
Which,
There were the corner flips.
so that got us up to 60.
That got us up to 60.
Whoa.
Whoa. Did anything else have 60 total
don't-
symmetries?
I think the dodecahedron had.
The dodecahedron did. Remember the cube and the octahedron were the same?
So these two are the same.
And these two end up having the same, and it turns out it's for the same reason that icosahedrons and dodecahedrons are related to each other.
Wow.
Do you want to see why?
Sure.
Sure.
Okay, next video.